Welcome to this week's episode of Chainlink News. We have a lot of exciting news for you with an announcement coming from Chainlink and Coinbase with Chainlink automation live on Base, and also with Chainlink and Arbitrum with Chainlink functions live on Arbitrum mainnet. Let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, so first, let's just do a quick recap about what Chainlink is for everyone. They are connecting the world to blockchains, and they are a decentralized computing platform, and they're powering the verifiable web. They do cross-chain work, they do data work, and they also do compute work. So it's quite a large platform with a lot of different products and features. Chainlink is a deep ball game, and every week we cover a few aspects of it. So first, they launched a blog post called The 7 Key Cross-Chain Bridge Vulnerabilities Explained. The reason why they launched this is because they have CCIP. CCIP is their cross-chain bridge protocol. And so they're doing, thought leadership around bridge vulnerabilities and how they are not exposed to these same risks. So it goes over what are cross-chain bridges, why private key management is important, why auditing your smart contracts is important, the upgradability process, proven, unproven validator sets, why it's good to have good node operators. And so go ahead and check that out if you're interested in learning more about CCIP, why Chainlink is the dominant cross-chain bridge, or they're looking to become the dominant cross-chain bridge. They're not yet, but it is a great design. And so check that out. We're going to move on. Next, it's what is tokenized real estate? So obviously Chainlink, as a data provider, as an Oracle, they also do data feeds. And one of them is for real estate data feeds. And so this just goes over that, tokenized real estate is when real estate property or its cash flows are represented on a blockchain as a token or tokens. And it goes on to just mention how large the real estate market is. It's valued at $29 trillion, and how you can tokenize it. How does it work? What are some of the benefits and the features, particularly fractional ownership? I'm very excited about fractional real estate ownership. Say allowing you to invest into a massive apartment in New York City, and you just put in $100, right? So you own 0.001% of it, and then you get paid the cash flows, maybe like 5 cents a month or whatever. But breaking ownership into fractionalization and blockchain allows for that. So go ahead and check that out if you're into tokenized real estate. It's another market that Chainlink is going after. And then we had huge news that not a lot of people covered, but UMA, which is originally another Chainlink competitor, they launched Oval MEV. And it's a new MEV protocol, which is Oracle Extractable Value, and for the likes of Aave and other dApps. And so this was built with Chainlink, right? So it does use Chainlink's price feeds. And it was also built in partnership with the largest MEV provider, Flashbots. And, so go ahead and check this out. Interestingly enough, Chainlink made a long reply. We're talking 10 paragraphs. But this is worth reading on Twitter. They basically mentioned how, Chainlink is committed to helping the industry. And they're here to solve complex problems. And they even have major advisors and collaborators who are building stuff, including their fair sequencing services, which is sort of an MEV solution like Oval. And they just went on to say how we've seen some third-party teams start to appear. And our initial review is that these solutions have serious concerns about their decentralization, about their security, and about their ability to delay transactions, which is negative. And that they have not partnered, they have not built, and they have not endorsed any of these solutions. So, man, you might want to read this. It's literally so long, but kind of Chainlink came out against this, against Oval MEV. So check that out if you're interested. Kind of crazy. And then we have Arbitrum. Arbitrum 1 integrates Chainlink functions on mainnet. This is just more adoption. Chainlink functions are a serverless, self-service developer platform that allows developers to easily connect their smart contracts to any API or trust minimized computation. So it's sort of like a decentralized compute platform or runtime. And, could be similar to like AWS or these other cloud services. So that's exciting. Arbitrum is the largest layer 2 on Ethereum. And we also have Base. Chainlink Automation, a different product, is now live on Base. And so, advanced off-chain compute capabilities. It's for automating services for developers. It's secure, it's reliable, etc. And, the chief business officer, he says, when you combine Chainlink's off-chain computation capabilities with Base's highly scalable layer 2 network, you can build next generation Web3 experiences that support the adoption of the verifiable web. So Chainlink is continuing to be everywhere. Go ahead and check that out. Next, we also have G-Trade, Gains Network. They are integrating with CCIP, the cross-chain protocol, as well as data streams to bring on-chain leverage trading. So just another integration. Man, there's integrations almost every day for Chainlink. And we also have PancakeSwap. They've integrated Chainlink's data streams and automation on their Arbitrum market. And so PancakeSwap was originally on BNB chain, but now it's on multi-chain, a lot of chains. And it's a decentralized exchange, but I guess they're also building a prediction market. And so, they mentioned why they picked them, because it's ultra fast, it's high integrity, and they want to have a level playing field. Chainlink continuing to be everywhere. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel if you like Chainlink news and you want to hear more of it. We will see you next week.